Alright, this is like at least a mile long swamp slog here. This isn't even the worst of it. I just didn't want to take out my camera for the worst of it. But I'm sure there are people, other hikers, probably every other hiker who can tell you what this is called, this section. I can't. That would mean I'd have to look at a map or a guidebook or something, and I'm just hiking. So, this is it. It really does slow you down though. You think, I don't know, the mud parts are like cement, and then there's mud under the water, and then there's holes under the mud, so sometimes you got semi-solid footing, and sometimes you don't. That's not bad. It's actually pretty cool out here. Nice and quiet. The water's clear enough, cold. I can just filter right off the top of this. Yeah, but I won't. Not now anyway.